Today I am reviewing the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 business laptop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. If you're searching for a high-performance business laptop that combines speed, reliability, and professional-grade features, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 is an excellent choice. Designed for professionals, students, and remote workers, this laptop delivers powerful performance, robust security, and a premium work experience in a sleek, business-ready package. Let's start with performance, the heart of this laptop. At its core, the ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 is powered by the AMD Ryzen 7 7735U processor, featuring 8 cores and 16 threads. With a base frequency of 2.7 GHz and a maximum turbo of 4.75 GHz, this CPU handles heavy workloads effortlessly. Whether you're running multiple office applications, managing large spreadsheets, processing high-resolution documents, or performing light content creation, this laptop ensures smooth, responsive performance at all times. Complementing the processor is 16GB of DDR5 RAM, which provides high-bandwidth memory for seamless multitasking. Opening numerous browser tabs, running productivity tools, or switching between applications is virtually lag-free. Storage is handled by a 1TB PCIe NVMe SSD, offering fast boot times, instant application launches, and ample space for all your files, presentations, and media. Together, the Ryzen 7 processor, DDR5 RAM, and 1TB SSD deliver a powerhouse experience for professional and everyday tasks. The 16-inch FHD Plus display enhances the productivity and visual experience. With a resolution of 1920 by 1200 IPS technology and an anti-glare finish, the screen ensures crisp visuals, vibrant colors, and excellent viewing angles. The 16:10 aspect ratio provides extra vertical space for documents, spreadsheets, and browsing, while TÜV Low Blue Light certification helps reduce eye strain during long working hours. Whether you're reviewing reports, editing content, or participating in video calls, this display provides clear and comfortable visuals. Connectivity and versatility are key strengths of the ThinkPad E16 Gen 2. The laptop comes equipped with multiple ports including USB-A, 5 gigabits per second and 10 gigabits per second, USB-C, PD/DP 1.4, HDMI 2.1, Ethernet, RJ45, headphone/mic combo, and a Kensington Nano security slot. Wireless performance is handled by Wi-Fi 6, ensuring fast and stable internet, and Bluetooth 5.0 for seamless peripheral connectivity. Whether you're connecting to external displays, docking stations, or office peripherals, this laptop provides all the necessary options. Security is a priority for business users, and the ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 delivers. It features a fingerprint reader for secure one-touch login, and a webcam privacy shutter to safeguard against unauthorized access during virtual meetings. Combined with Windows 11 Pro, this system offers advanced security and productivity features that make it ideal for professional use. The laptop also includes a comprehensive performance bundle, featuring a Thunderbolt ML101 wireless mouse with noise-canceling 2.4G connection, 1600 dpi sensitivity, 6 buttons, and long battery life, enhancing your workflow from the moment you start using it. Design and portability are equally impressive. Despite the 16-inch screen, the ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 remains relatively slim and lightweight for a professional laptop, making it easy to carry between home, office, or travel locations. The Backlit keyboard allows for comfortable typing in low-light environments, adding to overall usability and productivity. In summary, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 Gen 2 is a high-performance, business-focused laptop that excels in productivity, connectivity, and security. With the AMD Ryzen 7 7735U, 16GB DDR5 RAM, 1TB SSD, and 16-inch FHD Plus display, it handles demanding office workloads, multitasking, and content creation with ease. The combination of robust hardware, versatile connectivity, and professional features makes it an excellent choice for anyone seeking a reliable business laptop in 2025. Whether you're working remotely, attending meetings, managing projects, or creating content, this ThinkPad provides the speed, reliability, and premium experience you need to stay productive and efficient.